Python argparse toggle flags. Is there any way in argparse to parse flags like +A, B, C, D? Should store true in the dest of S and false in the dest of B, much like done by the Windows attrib or the Linux mod. Currently, I am using two separate arguments +S and S with store_true and store_false, respectively. But it creates an ugly help with it listing each flag twice, +A and A. Another workaround would be to manually parse the extended arg with regex, which somehow seems a lot easier, and use custom description, but before doing that I just wanted to look around if there was anything using which I could perform the same thing using argparse itself.
You can do this by passing both S and +S to a single add_argument call, and using a custom action.